Hi guys, this is just a quick video of me taking delivery of my new Bandolero race car. This is a quick video of me taking delivery of it and doing a startup. Now I know a lot of you are gonna say that's not a race car. Where's all the stickers and stuff? No, there is no decals on it yet, so it is kind of just plain, but we'll be getting some soon. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Just a little quick video, but hope you enjoy this video.
Oh,
yay!
It's a beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Where's your straps in the back seat?
Looks like a Porsche from the back. This race car is now inside the garage, well, trailer.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright, Dan, what you got going? Oh, nice. Oh,
Can you get it underneath that tire, pull it up?
Up here like this?
Yeah. So I can get the slack out of it. Yeah, you just gotta pull up close enough to it so the sensor goes off.
Okay.
And it'll open up all the way.
This thing.
Great stuff, man. I'm psyched.
Yeah, no, this is cool shit. It's gonna be a good season.
Startup of the race car.
Ready?
Yep. Dude, this thing sounds awesome.
All the way back here.
Yeah, try to move out of the way.